Hi guys. So today you know what we're going to read? It's Cookie Monster and the Cookie Tree, and it's a Sesame Street book. I'm sure you guys are going to love it, right? So let's start reading. It's a little long, but I'm sure you all will love it. One day, it was a Tuesday, but that doesn't matter. A witch, who wasn't a very clever witch, was out in the forest visiting her cookie tree. So what is she saying? She's saying, "Hi, tree." And what's the tree saying? "Oh, it's you again. Look at the tree full of cookies. Can you imagine?" The witch was very fond of her cookie tree. She was also very selfish. So what does she say? "Oh, I'm the witch with the cookie tree, and all these cookies are just for me." So she's dancing away and singing her little song. She was just about to eat a cookie when all of a sudden she saw trouble coming. The Cookie Monster! Now, to you and me, the Cookie Monster might not seem like trouble, but for someone who has a cookie tree, it's a totally different story. The witch decided she better cast a magic spell on the tree so that it wouldn't let the Cookie Monster have any cookies. So what did she say? "By the light of the moon and the hoppy toad's hair, only give cookies to people who share." And what did the cookie tree say? "I don't know about this. Something always goes wrong with these spells." Then the witch hid behind the bushes to see if her spell would work. So let's see, she's hiding behind the bushes and there's the Cookie Monster. "Oh, listen to the birdies and look at the trees. Look at that tree." Can't believe his eyes. So what does he say? Cookie Monster could hardly believe his eyes. Cookie tree, he wondered. He went very close for a better look. "Look like cookies," he said. He listened to one. "Sound like cookies," he said. He smelt one. "Smell like cookies," he said. He touched one. "Feel like cookies." Then he tried to taste one. The tree pulled all the cookies out of his reach. "Hey, what are you doing?" The tree told him, "I'm a magic cookie tree, and I only give cookies to people who will share them." "That's silly," said Cookie Monster. "Me not share cookie. Give me cookie." "No," said the tree. "That's the rule. You have to have someone to share with." "Oh, all right," said Cookie Monster. "Me go get someone to share cookie. You wait here, don't go away." So what does the witch say hiding behind the tree? It worked. He'll never find anyone to share cookies with him. No one will believe he really wants to share because Cookie Monsters never share cookies, right? So he went all around to Sesame Street and he asked Harry Monster, "Harry, old furry old pal, come with me to Cookie Tree. Hurry. We need someone to share with." But what did Harry say? "Share? You're the Cookie Monster. You never share cookies. I know better than to fall for one of your tricks. Bye-bye." Next, the Cookie Monster saw Big Bird. "Oh, Big Bird," he said, "you want some cookies? Me need someone to share them with." Big Bird didn't believe him either. "What? Are you feeling all right, Cookie Monster?" Cookie Monster was getting discouraged, but he said, "Me not give up." Meanwhile, back at the cookie tree, the witch was having problems of her own. When she tried to take a cookie, the tree said to her, "Stop! You can't have one. You told me to give cookies only to people who share." "But I didn't mean me," said the witch. "This is ridiculous." And what does the tree say? "You made the rule. I told you something always goes wrong with your spells." And what about Cookie Monster? Well, he was still trying to find someone to share the cookies with him. Ernie, please help me. Share some cookies, old buddy, old Ernie, old pal. What? You don't share cookies, you take everybody else's cookies. Now he was really discouraged. Somebody believe me, he said. But no one did. Just look at Count Dracula. He's saying, wonderful. That's one ridiculous story you've told me. Tell me another one and I'll count it. And all of them say, ha ha ha. This is the silliest thing I've ever heard. Oh, Grover knows you're joking, Cookie Monster. That's very funny because you never share cookies. And what does Grover say? I hate cookies. Look at Cookie Monster sitting there on the sidewalk and saying, oh my God, now what shall I do? So feeling sad and hungry, the Cookie Monster walked back through the forest to see if the cookie tree would change its mind. And what was the witch doing all this time? She was still trying to get a cookie. Come on, you pesky tree. I'm going to make you into pencils if you don't give me a cookie. You said give cookies only to people who will share them, said the cookie tree. When Cookie Monster heard the witch and the tree arguing, he knew who had caused all the trouble. Oh ho, you're the person who tell the tree not to give cookies except to share? That dumb thing to say. You're not kidding. Now I can't get any cookies either, says the witch. Cookie Monster had an idea. Hey, you and me can share cookie, he told the witch. Say, she said, that's so crazy, it just might work. So they tried. Okay, hand over cookie. You promise to share? We'll share already. Come on, said the witch. Sorry guys, just turning the page. Okay, said the tree and lowered its branches. Cookie Monster took a cookie and broke it into 2 pieces, one for himself and one for the witch, and then they shared it. This piece for you. Thank you. Me want more. What do you think? Sure. Why not? Here, one for you, Witchy, and one for me. Wait, this one not ripe. Hey, do cookies get ripe, guys? What do you think? Me eat it. This one look okay, but me taste first. And he goes on eating. And what does the tree say? Hey, slow down, take it easy. And what does the witch say? Hey, what about me? Come on. But num, 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 num. The Cookie Monster is eating up all of those cookies in the cookie tree. And look at his tummy after that. Oh my goodness, all those cookies in his tummy. And the tree is just all bare, just a couple of leaves. And you know what the witch says? Oh, why didn't I raise radishes instead of cookies? So that is the story of the Cookie Monster and the cookie tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. Love you lots.